guys. So today I'm doing just an unboxing. Well, not just. It's pretty cool. An unboxing for What's Up Nails. So I got this order in, and they always send you a really nice card telling you thank you. And here's their whatsupnails.com social media information, and then they always send me these really cool little let's see, this one is to do leopards with, and I think this is Valentine's, mermaid, just some really cool, different abstract vinyls here. So these are just all complimentary. So really cool. Fun to, if you haven't done vinyls, this is nice when you get these that are free, that you can just, practice on. So I also got a couple new stamping polishes. What's Up carries so many different things. I mean, I get lots of stuff from them. Polishes, stamping plates, powders, anyway, here's two new stamping polishes. This one's from Anniology. I'm so excited about this one because this one actually is supposed to be turquoise, and I've been looking for turquoise. It kind of looks teal in the bottle, but it goes on, I think, pretty turquoise looking. The best I've found so far anyway, and I love their polishes anyway, their stamping polishes. So this will be awesome. This one is Frosty Air B257. Is that one there. And then this one, I've never tried Hit the Bottle before, but I know some girls that really love their stuff, and What's Up carries these too. So this is a really pretty color. It's kind of a dark, medium to dark rose, maybe. Anyway, it's pearl. This one's pearl. Really pretty color. Great for, roses or whatever. And this one is called Join the Cerise Force. So anyway, there's that. And then I also got Dance Legend, which I've never used before, and it's supposed to be awesome for making fluid art. So I'm so excited. I can't wait to start, practicing with this. So I got this also. And then I got these really cool, I have chrome powders, but I've never done the flakies. So this is the Aurora Flakies. So really pretty. I think this will just be a blast because you don't have to, you can do the whole nail, or you can just, add some accents. So really pretty. Gorgeous. Can't wait. So there's that. And then also I got a hollow flakies that I wanted to try by What's Up also. This is their brand of product. They have their own brand as well as carrying all the top brands. So there's that. Gorgeous. Look at that. That's going to be so fun. So can't wait to use those too. And then also we've got, let me get this lid back on here because I sure don't want to dump any of that out. I also got 7 new gel polishes, and so they also have, lots of gel polishes. And so far I've done, this is my 3rd order, I think. And I really like these brands. I've been really happy with them. They also carry OPI and some other brands too. But I wanted these specific colors to add to my collection. This is really pretty by Gelées. It's kind of just a soft teal, I guess you'd say. So, just a light to medium teal. Gorgeous color. This will be great. And I like the way it goes on. And then this one's mint, and I didn't have this in my collection, so I'm really excited about this too. So really pretty, mint color. So this will be fun. I'm sure, using these on tutorials and stuff, so you'll get to see them better. And then I've been adding to my collection. I love these. They're the ombre thermals, gel polishes. And I've got, I think, 5 of them so far, and so as they keep coming out with new ones, I keep collecting them, and my clients love them. So and so far, each one I've gotten, both the colors are pretty colors. So, and then when they ombre, it looks like nail art, so it's really cool. So this one goes from a hot pink to a purple. So, you know, when it's cold, it's purple, nice grape purple color. And then when it gets hot or warm, or it goes to the hot pink, or when it's in between, you'll have the ombre of the two colors. So really awesome. Love the way the Kira Sky gel polishes go on too. They cover nice and they go on really good. Here's another thermal I got from them. This one's Fairy Tale Romance. And this one is like a lavender. It goes a soft lavender to a medium pink. So it's a great one also. Great one to have. So here's the medium pink. So it's a really pretty pink anyway. And then this is when it's cold. And then when it's warm or, you know, hot, then it goes to that light lavender color. And when it's in between, of course, it's the ombre of those two colors. So this one here is Peachin', and this one's just a cream, and it's one color, but a really pretty color peach. So I'm really excited about this to add to my collection also. And then this one here is really cool. Also, this one is called That's Fat, and it's got sparkles in it, like kind of like, you know, the big pieces of glitter, which you won't be able to see very well in this, unfortunately, but really pretty. And it's a nice medium pink, kind of a lavendery pink. And then this one is a new one, and this one is Pink Passport. It's a cream also, and I think it's kind of a raspberry pink, which I just love. It's kind of a raspberry, really pretty. So this is awesome. It's got a little bit of opal in it, you know, like a lavendery, bluey, whatever opal in it, just a little bit. So that's 7 new gel polishes I'm so excited about. And then also I got a couple plates, and so this one I'm going to swatch, review and swatch out for you next. This one is, so both of them are like, you know, floral garden plates. This is BO, okay, wait, there we go. This one is BO37 Growing Beauty. So look at those images. Aren't those pretty? Oh, it's going to be so fun. So that's one. And then the other one I got is going to be, I think, a lot of fun and gorgeous too. And this one is BO44, and it's called From Ground Comes Life, if I can get it out with my fingernails. And there's some really fun images on here too. And I will, as soon as I can, also review and swatch this plate too. So really fun. So that's it. I don't think I'm forgetting anything. And so lots of things to play with and more tutorials. So thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and click on the bell icon up above so that you'll get a notice on my next new tutorial, which will be really soon, because I'm going to be reviewing that plate, this one right here, that one next. So, oops. So thank you so much. Bye, guys.